Evergreen forests. These types of forests are grown in the area with high rainfall more than 200 centimeters and temperature 22 degrees centigrade. Trees in this area are very tall and they contain broad leaves. Due to these reasons, trees grow higher, extend their branches like umbrella. The trees in these forests remain green throughout the year. Hence, they are called evergreen forests. These forests are located in the Himalayan region, northeastern states, western Ghats. We can see flora like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, ivorywood. We can also find different types of animals, fauna like lion tailed macaque